we have already created the lead, acquisition push, not now, missed call, not interested. Excuse me. The not interested and the DNC. So quickly, we made the not interested in the last episode, and I made a little mistake. So let's just go to the not interested tag added, and we are just gonna add remove from all workflows, not this one, just like that. So it's gonna remove them from any other workflows, because remember, workflows can also be campaigns. Make sure this is not checked off. That's super important. Now we can move on to the next step, right? We are officially about to be done with the VA pipeline, so we have to create the DNC and the wrong number. So for the DNC, you want to actually go into your automations and triggers, and you want to check if you already have any DNC triggers. As you can see, there's already a folder for them. So typically we just got to edit them. So there's a lot of them, and the wrong number is also here. So perfect. That's why I saved these for the end. So you want to click on this. You should have these, especially if it's a new account. Basically, if the customer says cancel or something like that, it's going to tag DNC them. And here, all we want to do is edit the pipeline. So we'll scroll down here and we'll edit this VA pipeline DNC. Excuse me. How to move? No, that would definitely be a no. So you want to then activate this, just like that. Go back. Go into this. Same thing. These are just really phrases. As long as you just map them out, you should be good. So someone types quit. Here we're just going to select VA pipeline, DNC, just like that. Now we're going to activate. Moving on to the next one. Stop. Also VA pipeline, DNC, save, activate, back, unsubscribe. Same thing. I'm gonna link your pipeline, DNC, save, activate, just like that. Pipeline stage change to DNC. So this is literally the pipeline move stage. This is the pipeline move trigger. So you just click VA pipeline, DNC, and it's going to remove from all campaigns, and it's also going to move it to the VA pipeline, DNC. Cool, just like that. What we could also do here is we can just activate. There we go. Now cool. Now the only thing that we need is going to be a trigger for the DNC. So you can create a trigger. I prefer to use workflows. So let's just use a workflow because it's just easier, but it's totally up to you. Now we're going to go to workflows here, and we are going to create a workflow, start from scratch, create new. We're going to give it a name. This one is going to be called tag added DNC, tag DNC, and we are going to remove said DND. So we're going to click here. We're going to tag. So we're going to look for the tag. Contact tag, add tag, tag added, DNC. Save. Now, your first action is going to be to remove from all workflows. So remove from all workflows. Wrong one. Click again. Remove from all workflows except this one. Very important. Then you're going to set D&D contact. Select disabled for all channels, like that. Click on this. Now you are going to update. Create an update opportunity. Acquisition pipeline. VA pipeline stage. DNC. Select the name. Full name. Cool. Now we're going to do remove tag. You want to remove any tag that's not DNC. So, oh, I forgot the title is incorrect. Excuse me. DNC. So we're going to remove the replied. We're going to remove, not interested. We're going to remove lead. Not now. Missed call. Just like that. Perfect. Awesome. So that's all you need. Make sure this is not checked in. It's going to, once you tag DNC, it's going to remove them from any workflow. It's going to disable it's going to disable D&D for all channels. So it's basically going to put them on the DNC. You're not going to be able to send them any messages. Then it's going to move them to the DNC stage in the VA pipeline, and it's going to remove any other tags. Perfect. We can save this. We can now publish this. Just wait for it to just load. Okay, now we are done with this one. Now on to the final one. You want to go into opportunities. We just did the not interested. DNC we just did right now. The last one is going to be wrong number. So we want to go into automations, go into triggers, and you guys are going to be able, we're just going to use the wrong number tag right here, this tag here. So when it's tagged wrong number, it's going to move it to the acquisition pipeline. Then it's going to move them to the wrong number stage right here. Gonna remove from all campaigns, mark conversation as read. It's gonna add, you can click add, and you are gonna do update. So I was trying to type it, excuse me, I got hiccups. Update contact field, add field, phone here. You're gonna search for the phone. Now just copy exactly what I'm putting in here, phone 2, just like that. Then you are going to do add contact tag, add replaced 2, just like that. And it's also going to remove, now we'll do remove tag, remove contact tags. So we're going to remove anything like replied or lead maybe, or wherever we are. Usually they won't make it past lead, but let's just put it just in case. Yeah, just like that's fine. Now we want to actually activate it. What this is going to do is once we tag wrong number, It's going to move them to the wrong number. It's going to remove from all campaigns. It's going to mark conversation as read. It's going to update to the second number, and then it's going to tag replace to, so it can let you know that, hey, we've changed the number to replace the number with the second number on the list. Then it's going to remove any other tags. That's all you need for the wrong number tag. You want to keep it simple. So we can go here and we will just move to tag added because we want to be organized. So we are going to move that to the tag added. In tag added here, we have the lead tag added, remove from campaign. We didn't create this one, but wrong number tag right here and lead. And yeah, now in this video, I want to address something very specific that I need you guys to tweak. So first thing, I want you to go log in and I want you to go into the lead tag added that I set up for you guys, that I showed you how to do. And you want to go ahead and click on this. And you should click on this right here, allow opportunity to move to any previous stage, just so it can move around freely in case it goes from somewhere else and it has to come back. So yeah, we're just going to activate that, save it. Now we're going to go to the other workflows. So we created the not interested right here. We're going to click on the not interested and click on this create, and we actually want to allow it to move freely. What this means is if it goes to the DNC or it goes back to lead, it's able to move. So allow opportunity to move to any stage in pipeline. Save. Now for the not now, same thing. We just want to click the create or update opportunity, select this, allow opportunity to move to any previous stage, save. So for the lead, not now and not interested, we want to be able to move around. Also for the missed call, we can just call this missed call tag added, just to make it simpler. We'll click on this and we'll select this right here, allow opportunity to move to any previous stage in pipeline. That way, if they actually do pick up, they're going to be able to move to the lead, which is a previous stage. They're going to be able to move to not interested, which is also a previous stage. So we had to change it for the lead, the missed call, not interested, not now. But we're not going to change that for the DNC because nobody is going to be able to move. Once they're in the DNC, they are going to be tagged not interested. Well, they're going to be tagged unavailable. You're not going to be able to reach them. You're never, ever going to be able to text them. So for the DNC, you don't want to check any boxes here. It's perfect the way that it is. And yeah, that's all I wanted to address. So for the missed call, the not interested, not now, and lead, you want to make sure that you check off that box to allow them to actually move within the pipeline. Because if you don't have this box checked in, let me show you what can happen. So what's going to happen is that if you tag a lead not interested and then you speak to them and they say, yeah, I do want to sell my house and the house just burnt and I really just want to walk away. Clearly they're a lead. They're a little bit more motivated. You're going to tag them lead and they will be able to move back here. If you don't have that box checked in, they're not going to be able to move back to any previous stage.